Better get in that grass. Took this boy to the park just to get some nature, man. This boy be tripping. Yeah. Y'all see what's going on, man. You feel me? I'm trying to get over them hills over there. You know what I'm saying? I want to get in them trees over there. Look like this. You see them trees from them? Y'all really can't see it. But it's different. It's a difference. Them trees over there brighter. Them trees greener. I would go with a grass gritty. We going over there. Pretty soon. We got a lot to do. A lot to take care of. A lot of people to take care of. Just souls I want to take care of, you know? Or make happy. You feel me? Put joy in people's life. You know what I'm saying? That's it. I don't mean harming nobody from nobody. I just want joy in everybody. You know? Out here in this nature. You know? Being so. Getting some nature. I ain't know this tree was this close. I'd have been over there. It's 2 trees. Oh, it's up. You gotta understand that universe up there, man. You know? That universe real. You feel me? That motherfucker real as hell, you know what I'm saying? Only thing you gotta do is believe. Once you believe, your dreams gonna come true. Once you believe in that sun right there, man, all your dreams gonna come true. So, over here. Come on. Get over here. You getting too comfortable. Get up here, man. You act like you trying to go fishing. Come up here, man. Your insurance is not on my line today. You not on my insurance. You feel me? You do stuff like that with your people. You just enjoy the nature over here, buddy. You feel me? Until we come out here. We fit a shake though. It's about that time. Come on, let's get up out of here. Let's get it, man. Come on, we gotta go. Take it easy. Gotta take it slow. Come on, man.